guys, and welcome back to the World Travel channel. This is episode 2 on my new playlist, which is called Learning Foreign Languages. Recently, I posted a survey on YouTube about the first language I should talk about, and as I see, it wasn't that effective here on YouTube. So I did the same on Instagram, and 100% of the people voted for Spanish. Therefore, I will show you my typical Spanish lesson. Let's go! As I mentioned in my previous video, I'm totally satisfied with the resources on the Lingoda app, and I actually structured my study plan according to this app. After I check the study plan, I go ahead and open the app. So today I have chapter 5 on my agenda, Puedo describir diferentes tipos de familias, and the first thing I would do would be the flashcards. It actually gives me an opportunity to understand what I already know, and it's a nice motivation for me actually. So if I know the translation of the word, if I check and it's correct, I just go ahead and click here. Let's pretend that I do not know the word, so I would click here. No. And I usually download the PDF files because this way I'll be able to make some notes and do the exercises. Also, a useful hint for those of you guys who do not attend any language school and do not have any partner to talk to. As soon as I see these kind of questions, it is assumed that I would have a classmate or a partner to discuss these questions. In this case, I will go ahead and start talking to myself. I know it sounds weird, but it works. And also, I love these kind of PDF because I can check the translation of the word and mark it. So I use different color keys for the words. For example, for the words I see the first time and definitely do not know, I use the red color. For the words I have seen before, but I just do not remember the meaning, I would use this yellow. I usually complete 2 PDF files. So I would do the grammar as well. So this time it's verbos con preposiciones, verbs with prepositions. And I just do the same. I complete all the exercises. And as you see, it's very nice that there are so many types of the exercises and you can practice these verbs with prepositions. When it comes to grammar, I take it very seriously. So I search for the additional resources so that I can practice the grammar I just learned. For example, I really like this Kwiziq. It's cloud-based, you don't have to download it. I cannot say I use it that frequently. You also need to keep in mind that there are some credits, and if you run out of those credits, you need to refill it and buy it. I would recommend you searching for 2 or 3 resources that you like the most, and keep doing the exercises there. Another resource I would suggest checking out is SpanishDictionary.com. It has such a large amount of exercises and you can practice whatever you want here. For example, I need to practice the conjugation. And then I can choose what exactly I want to conjugate. For example, let it be imperfect tense, imperfecto. So there are different options. For example, the first one, you have a lesson,
Hola,
an explanation.
how are you? Welcome to the imperfect tense.
Hola Eva, hola Kira, ¿cómo están? El otro día vi a Ana y empezamos a recordar viejos tiempos. Cuando nosotras teníamos 10.
But the other option is just to do the exercises. Conjugation drill, and you can choose the tenses. If you want to have a challenge, you can choose a lot of them. And you can also choose the pronouns because, as you know, Castilian Spanish and the Spanish in Latin America differ, and you just need to be careful with the pronouns too. So I learned the Castilian Spanish, so I do not need vos And also it's very nice to learn the vocabulary. I would say the free version of this app is pretty much enough for me. Maybe in the future I will upgrade, but as for now, that's fine. I would also like to share some of the YouTube channels I really love. So the first one is Hola Spanish. As soon as I have any issues understanding the grammar, I go here and check if I can find the answer in these videos. Actually, those are really helpful, and yeah, I can highly recommend it. The second one is Learn Spanish with SpanishPod101.com. If I want to boost my Spanish listening skill and improve my vocabulary, I also check these videos out. And the third YouTube channel I love is Master Spanish. It's more like a course, I would say. So I'm doing this complete Spanish course level B1, and it's pretty helpful, I would say. As far as I know, the woman who leads this channel, she's a teacher and has the website with some of the useful resources. Last but not least, it's not actually about the learning language, it's more about travel and entertaining. Soy la PECOSA. This YouTuber is from Venezuela, as far as I know, and I just love her videos. She talks about Spanish cities, about Spain in general, what she likes, what she dislikes about it. And yeah, it's a very nice way to learn the language listening to the native speaker. And if I want to have fun, I check if Patry has any new videos. I actually saw Patry on TikTok first, and then I found her YouTube channel. So she talks about the cultural differences between Britain and Spain. She creates really fun and nice videos. As soon as I have some spare time for gym or treadmill, I just turn on the videos in Spanish and watch them. And now I can be assured that I helped not only my body, but my brain as well. Last but not least, the podcasts. As I've already told you in my previous video, as soon as you take the public transport or ride the car, you can actually switch on the podcast and listen to Hispanohablantes. I would say it helps me a lot because this way I would comprehend the fast language better. I do not say this way of self-education will work for everyone. I'm just sharing my personal experience and some hints for those who also try to learn the language by themselves. And yeah, if you have any ideas, if you have any hints that work for you, please share, because we all try to help each other. And in the next video I will tell you about the way I learned German. It's a bit different, and yeah, my perception of this language is also different, so I will tell you about it in my next videos. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I would appreciate your feedback and subscription. Bye!